All right, Kelsey, let's hear another one.
Okay. I have app on your phone that amplifies sounds you hear, either just for figuring out, like, there's a weird sound in your house and you want to figure out where the fuck it is or where it's coming from, or for just, like, recording your cat snoring.
Yes, and...
Listen, I said they were bad ideas. What do you want from me?
So, Kelsey, let me paint me a picture. You're in the bed, and you hear, like, this faint chirping noise. You're like, what the fuck is that? And then it wakes you up and it keeps you awake, and then you try to figure out, how do you use this app to get the answer?
You record it, and then it amplifies it for you.
Okay.
So you hear, you're like, you're dead asleep. You wake up and you're like, there's whispering. I hear whispering. and so you hit your phone and you play it back to yourself and it says, red rum, red rum.
What?
So you're on the beach and and you're sleeping on your towel.
Uh-huh.
And you hear what sounds like sand shifting, like a lot of sand. And yeah. So then you record it and you play it back to yourself.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know. I have lost the train.
And then you hear
then you hear some house.
Kelsey, so you're standing at the top of a mountain. And it's very peaceful, and you just got there. It's extremely serene, very nice, kind of like early winter. Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? I am painting a picture. Jesus Christ! Not everybody needs to know that you're backing up, piece of shit.
I would love if it's the exact same truck doing the same 100-point turn as last weekend.
And somehow they know that you're trying to report a podcast, so they come every Saturday
I feel
just
like
to
they
fuck
do.
with you.
Time to make the deliveries.
Let's do this street in reverse.
The whole goddamn street in reverse. We've got a couple of trumpets to deliver for you here. Let me try them out for you. Okay. Anyway,
right.
Kelsey.
So you're on the top of a mountain.
You're on the top of a mountain. This isn't even funny anymore. God damn it. I can't do it not organically. You're on the top of a mountain. You hear in the distance. It's so quiet. It's like a whisper on the wind. And you're like, I don't know what that is. So you take it out and you record it again. You record it with your app, and then you play it back, and you hear Tahu Doris, welcome.
And then you hop in your sled and you say, "Not today, Goose."
Not today, motherfuckers. You know, like that new Grinch movie.
Yeah, like the streets will run green with who blood.
Oh, God.
Oh, I can't believe they let Adam Sandler play the Grinch.
Jesus
What a mistake.
Why did they tell him it was a serious movie?
Anyways.
Oh, boy.
I don't know. I just think it would be fun.
Sorry. To do what? What are we talking about?
Amplify.
To slaughter who's?
To slide.
Oh, right.
Kelsey, I
You're
can't.
talking about hearing aids.
Kelsey,
Why do you put it that way, Mark?
I do.
Party pooper over here.
Okay.
Kelsey, I
Pooping on
do
my
agree with
party.
you. I do agree with you that there are a series of infomercials that are like, put this thing in and you can hear 50 times farther. And then there's like somebody on the beach and they're overhearing someone else talk about like gossip or something. And then there's a guy who's hunting. It's like, oh, there's a deer down there. Let's go get it.
My favorite scene of that one is there's like an old man sitting on a bench and he's like listening to like some younger women like 50 feet away and they're like, wow, look how attractive that old man is. It's like, yeah, that's a thing that's happened.
Maybe we can... Go ahead, Mark.
On that same vein, John, I remember there was there was I think it was a guy, a grandpa, who was in like the yard, and he heard through an open window his wife and daughter, adult daughter, planning a surprise birthday party for him, and he was excited that he overheard this. I'm like, what? How many surprises do you think you have left, old man?
Damn, Mark. Mark
You
pulls
only
no
got-
punches. Damn.
After this, you've really only got one surprise left. And it's going to be a doozy.
You're not going to be able to enjoy it.
Jesus Christ, you guys.
You won't be able to hear it coming.
I don't like this laugh. I don't like this
No-
laugh that Mark's
No
putting
matter
out.
how much you turn up that hearing aid, you're not going to hear it coming.
Hear this one.
Oh my god. Well, maybe you can.
Also, do you think when the guy's hunting, he ever forgot to turn off the hearing aid?
God, he can hear the deer screaming.
Well, no, when he fires the fucking gunshot.
Oh god.
He grabs it, records it, keeps amplifying it.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
All right, Kelsey. So we've got the app. I think some versions of the app are the original proposed item. This other version of the item where you hear things when you amplify it, but it's just kind of what you want to hear. Like, look how attractive that guy is. Or this other one where you crank it up so loud you can hear your own death approaching. And I think those will sell like hotcakes.
Mostly I just want to hear my cat snoring really loud.
Okay.
That's good.